welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another Zara haul. These two big boxes here, all full of Zara things, because I was looking on their website like the other week and I loved so much of it and it was all in the sale, so I was like, right, I'm gonna order quite a lot and I'll probably like return half of it. Well, the order came and the problem is I like all of it and I didn't plan to like all of it. I can't afford to like all of it. So anyway, but I thought I'd show you everything because I pretty much love everything I got in the haul, and I got a lot of stuff. I think I spent about £300. Yeah, but everything I bought was online, so I'm hoping I can link pretty much every single thing in the description box. So if you want it, you can go buy it, but in case something's out of stock or something, I will link like a similar item for a similar price. But yeah, I'm gonna get on with like unboxing these boxes now, and I feel like I'm very matchy, like with my hair, the top, the boxes, it's all like beigey camel tones, isn't it? Anyway, let's get on with the first box. So the first item is this one here, which is one of my favourites. I've already worn it out, taken some pictures, all of that good stuff. But it's like a kind of woolen, is it woolen? I don't know, I think it's faux, what's it say? It says contrasting faux fur jacket. That is like the technical name on the website. But it's more of like a sheep kind of wool skin look to it. And then it's got these like leather details and you've got some like chain buckle things around the neck and it goes down like that. You'll see it in like the try on what it actually looks like, but I've been loving wearing this recently. It's really warm. I got it in a size medium because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized so I could fit like chunky knits underneath. This was a little bit on the pricey side. It was $69.99. However, I think it might be in the sale now. Let me check. I've got my laptop down here. So let's have a look. So this was originally £95.99. Now I bought it for, how much did I buy it for? I bought it for £69.99, which is still a bit pricey. However, it is now, is it $39.99, a bargain, and it is, all the sizes seem to be in stock. They have like extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, extra, extra large. So all you girls out there and guys, you can get this coat for $39.99. How good is that? It is amazing. I love it. I want to actually return this and then rebuy it. I'm not sure if you can do that because that would save me how much? 40, like £25. I might actually do that. I might return this and then buy another one. So the next jacket I got is this one. So it's like a leather jacket kind of on the exterior, but inside it is the most softest like furry thing ever. Like I cannot tell you how soft this is. It is, God, I want to sleep on this. Like this is going to be my new duvet. But it's so soft. It's really, really warm because I love wearing leather jackets, but it's now like too cold to just wear a normal one. So this one is really nice and oh, it's so nice. The only problem with it is it sheds like crazy. Like if you've got a black top on and you put this over the top and then you take this off, you're going to be covered in fluff. Like, so you need to have one of those roller things on you at all times if you're going to wear this, or just wear like a white top or something like that. But it does like shed. Let me see if I can show you on something. Let's have a look. Right, so I'm going to show you quickly on this bodysuit, if you can see. If I then just rub it, can you see that now? You might not be able to. Let me do it a bit more. So I'm really not sure if you're actually going to be able to like see it, but it has all like white fluff on it now, so that's not too good. But you know, you might be okay with it if you give it a wash. It might be better, not sure. But I haven't taken the label off of this one yet because I think I might return it because of that problem. But let me just tell you the pricing. So it was $69.99. I bought it for $49.99, but it is now $39.99. I got it in a size medium, which I would say is still quite small. I could probably go up to a large because I do want to wear like knits underneath it, so definitely go up a size or two. But yeah, absolutely love this as well. Let's go on to knitwear because I've been talking about knitwear with my coats and how much I love to wear them underneath. So first knitwear I got is just this really chunky, kind of oversized cream jumper. I love like the pattern down the front. I'm not really sure what the pattern is called, but I do love it. I love how kind of big and oversized it is. I like that it's a little bit high-necked, but not too much. But yeah, I just love this. And I think I got it, what size did I get it in? I got it in a size... So I got it in a size medium and it was £19.99. I think it was reduced from like £40, which is so good. But I definitely know I'm going to love this with like jeans and just, yeah, so cosy for the winter. Carrying on with the knitwear, I got this stripy jumper, which is such good quality. Like, it just feels really heavy, like a good heavy, and it's not itchy or anything like that, because I do find sometimes knits like this one can be slightly itchy, whereas this is like really kind of soft, almost elastic material. But it's got quite a big roll neck kind of thing, if you can see. But yeah, really oversized, and it's got these almost distressing on it. It's got little bits which are distressed, like that little bit there, if you can see. How much was this? This was, and I bought this for £19.99, which is such a good price. I did get it in a small, and it is still quite oversized, so definitely go for your size or down a size. If you don't want it too oversized, definitely go down a size or two. If you want it oversized, then go for your size. On to another kind of coat knitwear. This one is both. It is this khaki kind of long line coat. It's actually from their knitwear collection, and it's really stretchy and quite heavy material. But I haven't tried it on yet, so I can't really say too much, but I think this would look really nice with just an all black outfit, and then you could throw this on top. And this was £69.99, so it's quite pricey, I would personally say. Like, it's not extremely expensive, but it's also not cheap. So I'm going to see what it looks like on first, and I might return it, I might keep it. Next thing I got is just a plain black top. I have this in white and I love it, so I decided to get it in black as well. It's a really stretchy, almost lycra material, I would say. I got it in a size small, and these are really cheap. I think they're like £6, something like that. But they just look great kind of tucked into skirts and things like that. So the last two things I got were hats, because I've been obsessing over hats recently. So this one is a leather Baker Boy hat. Let me put it on, see what it looks like. So that's kind of what it looks like, but I'm not sure. I feel like it's very wide. It's kind of, yeah, I'm not really sure. It's quite wide but quite flat. So I'm not too sure on this one. I might return it because, yeah, I just don't think it looks that great, if I'm honest. But anyway, it was £16 if you are interested in buying it. And the good thing with these is it comes in different sizes, which I find is really helpful, because, you know, some people have small heads, some people have big heads, and yeah. The next hat I got, I'm not too sure, and I've never worn one of these before. I'm not too sure if it suits me, but I've been seeing so many other people in it, and they all look great in it, so I thought I should buy one, but I'm not sure if it's for me. Obviously, it probably doesn't go with this top, but I'm not really sure how you wear it. Do you wear it to the side? Like that? Je m'appelle Katherine. So that is everything I got from Zara. I really hope you enjoyed this haul. I will, of course, link everything down below. Make sure to subscribe and thumbs up this video. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!